Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Pepe video update. So yesterday at 12:26 in my time, I said that Pepe has a breakout. Watch the updates. I'll check for an entry, may get a 17% win. And we are 11% up so far. And this was the official call on the private Pepe. Okay, it's Adam Trade right there. So we're trading at, we bought at 7213. We're stopping at 6840 and we're selling at 8587. Okay, so far, just as you can see on the results, we are sitting at 80408. That's almost like a 10 to 11% move to the upside. And this is not only on the private either, because I've been talking about this for such a long time. I've told you that if Pepe does retest, and yesterday's video was pretty much a retest down here. So if you watched yesterday's video, and I told you that you shouldn't come down here, so I ended up buying at the retest. I ended up getting some little bit of Pepe. We're up right now, and this is the technical target basically, and that's going to be yeah, as you can see, 8600 almost. So congratulations to me and to you as well if you ended up taking the trade, and if you listen and if you know the trade, congratulations. I always say this, that come and be a part of the private. Come in, be a part of the private. How many times do I keep on telling you that? But it's okay. You still have one more day to be a part of the private. So all you have to do is message me on X, which was formerly known as Twitter, and you can, be a part of it in it takes 1 minute actually. So what is next? What's next is the technical target. Okay, nothing much, nothing less, just the technical target that has to be met. But one thing I want to tell you is that when you do end up coming up here to the technical target, that's where you have to be quite careful right there. Okay, I do believe a lot of people have their stop losses right over here, which will be taken away maybe today. I do think that today is the day that this stop loss is going to be taken away. But this is still an issue, okay? When you touch your head here, when you hit your head here, this may start to fall down once again, unless we don't start to see Pepe breaking above this supply zone itself, which is previously a demand box. So if you're going to cross this as your supply, you're going to turn it into a demand once again, and it's going to be okay to continue to move to the upside. So basically 8600 to 9000 is just a place where you may start considering, getting the hell out of there, because I don't know, it can turn pretty ugly very fast. So right now I'm a little bit of a profit. I'm waiting for that 6 more or 7 more percent profit. I think we're going to bag out like 18-19%. So that's like $190 out of $1,000 invested for anyone who is trading in the private. And honestly, I haven't been trading too much in September. I've just traded Pepe, which has been successful for a while. And September has been boring throughout the whole month. You may notice that. And as far as the Pepe does go out there, a lot of people are going to ask, hey, should I buy now? Should I enter the trade now? Maybe no. Okay, maybe no, because the right time was yesterday when I was talking about, actually for the past 3 days I've been saying that this is your sideways movement. Wherever you break, the trade is going to be formed. So you break to the upside, you can see you came for the retest and now you're bouncing back off. Simple. You break above something, you come in for the retest, you take the trade, you put a stop loss, and then boom, that's it. So if you don't want to do that, heavy lifting again is on the private as well, where I do the heavy lifting. So that's it for this update on Pepe. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.